Due to popular request, I'm going to make a Stitch squishy, and I'm going to be using these two tulip puffy paints. The labels kind of came off, but Miss Trinity 143 sent these to me, and I am going to deco this fun squishy. So let's get started. Ta-da! So this is supposed to be Stitch's back, and I didn't wait for the light blue to dry before I did the dark blue, so it smudged a bit because it was wet. And in my last video, when I did the Mickey Mouse squishy, people told me that I should just put the yellow over the red, so I did that, but I guess I should have waited for it to dry. But this is how it turned out. I'm going to touch it up a bit once it dries again because the lines are a little bit more curvy and thick. But yeah, once it dries out a bit more, I'm going to thicken the lines up. But if you take a look at a picture of Stitch, his back, it looks like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll try this out. Let me know if there are other squishy characters I should try to make. Thanks for watching. Bye!